Hello students, welcome to yet another class of accountancy. We were dealing with chapter number 1. All the topics were covered. The only thing left in this chapter is the journal entries, which we have not discussed yet. So in this lecture we are going to discuss all the journal entries. Before I start, you need to have your pen and copy so that you write the journal entry. I am going to dictate the journal entry. Is this point clear to you? You can also see in your textbook. Okay, sir. So shall we start? Yes, sir. Okay. So interest on partners capital. So what will be the journal entry for interest on partners capital? Since it's an expense for the partnership firm, it will be debited, isn't it? And what will be credited? Partners capital account will be credited. So what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be interest on partners capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Is this point clear? Now what will be the closing entry? So where it is treated? It is treated in P&L appropriation account. Which side? Debit side. So what will be the journal entry? P&L appropriation account debit to interest on partners capital account. Is this point clear to you? So first one was the adjusting entry and second one was the closing entry. Next, interest on partners drawings. So interest on partners drawing is an income from the partnership firm, but it is charged from partners. So what will be the journal entry? Yes, correct. The journal entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to interest on drawings account. Is this clear? Then what will be the closing entry? What will be the closing entry? Guess. It will be shown in the credit side of P&L appropriation account. So what will be the journal entry? Interest on drawings account debit to P&L appropriation account. Is this point clear? Interest on drawings account debit to P&L appropriation account. I hope these two entries are clear to you. Now we will move on to distribution of profit among the partners. So when profit is distributed, then what will be the journal entry? P&L appropriation account will be debited and partners account capital account will be credited. So what will be the journal entry? P&L appropriation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Is this point clear? Because profit will increase the capital of the partners. I hope this is clear to you. Now fourth, distribution of losses. How the losses will be distribute? सर जो आपने पिछली एंट्री बताई थी उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. अच्छा, yes, correct. So the journal entry for the distribution of loss among the partners will be their capital will be debited. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to P&L appropriation account. Is this point clear to you? Yes, sir. Now when partners salaries or commissions are paid, so this partner salary or partner commission is an expense, and to whom it is given? It is given to partners. So what will be the journal entry? For salary it will be A's salary account debit to partners capital account. Is this clear? And for commission, B's commission account debit to B's capital account. And where it is transferred? It is transferred in profit and loss appropriation account. So what will be the closing entry? P&L appropriation account debit to A's salary account and partners P&L appropriation account debit to B's commission account. Is this point clear to you? If you know to make the ledgers which I have taught you in my previous classes, this journal entry will are so easy, and I hope you are understanding it. Okay, sir, move on to the next point, that is minimum guaranteed profit. See, in this minimum guaranteed profit, like profit is distributed in the same manner, we are going to pass the journal entry. P&L appropriation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account to C's capital account in their PSR. Now, the partner who has to be given the minimum profit, that means there will be any deficiency in his capital account. So what will be the entry? Next entry, first we will distribute the profit. What will be the entry now? See, I'll try to solve this and explain you. See, when the P&L, see, this is the distribution of profit. See on your mobile screen. To A's capital and to B's capital. Is this clear? Now for an example, this is 20,000 and 10,000, and B was to get a minimum profit of 15,000. So we have distributed this profit. This is the distribution of profit. Now remaining 5,000 will be borne by A and will be paid to B. So this is the distribution of profit, and the minimum guaranteed profit was 15,000. So the journal entry will be A's capital account, the remaining portion capital account debit to B's capital account for the remaining 5,000 which was guaranteed. Is this point clear to you? So this is the journal entry for minimum guaranteed profit. First you divide the profit among the partners, and then the remaining portion will be paid by the partner who has guaranteed the profit to the partner who will receive. Is this point clear to you? I hope it is clear. You can see your textbook and examples for better understanding. Now, then capital introduced by partner is very easy. You know, when capital is introduced by the partner, what will be the journal entry? Cash account debit, cash or bank account debit to partner's capital account. See, for an example, A and B introduces the capital. So what will be the journal entry? Cash or bank account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. This you have did in class 11 when there was only sole proprietor. Now they are 2 partner, 3 partners. So when they will introduce the capital, the entry will be bank or cash account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account and to C's capital account. Then when drawings are made by the partners, that means they are withdrawing the money. So what will be the journal entry in that case? Yes, partner's capital account will be debited to cash or bank. Is this point clear to you? Okay, sir. So these were the journal entries I wanted to discuss with you. You practice questions from your textbook for better understanding, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me, you can WhatsApp me. I have given you my number already in my previous lectures, so you can ask the doubts. Okay, students, bye bye, take care, all the best.